Squad. We're here at Disney Springs, and you know what's going to happen right now? We're going to the world of Disney. Today's November 1st. Christmas has started. I'm going to show you all the shopping. We're going to do some shopping. We're going to show you everything Christmas. And as you can see, I'm already prepared. My boots, and look what I got. Olaf is coming with me. I got him at the Contemporary Resort. They already had the Christmas stuff yesterday during Halloween. Let's go. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Look at this. So let's start off with. We got snacks. Check this out. How cute. Little snowman. Adorable. Yeah. Oh, look, they got some preps. All the. Yeah. Look at the match. Reversible table runner. We match. How much is this? I love the way they. $60. I love the way they have Mickey and Minnie. Look at how cute with the candy cane shaped as a heart. Oh, Lovey, look at this shirt. We gotta try that on for you. It says $60. That's nice. So they have a whole collection. They even have little cotton candy. And that is. This is what I think is so cute. These plates right here, they have a whole set. Look at this. Look at that. Donald, Goofy. Check this out. Come over here and show them. Noel. That is adorable. Each 14 and change. And then the bowl. Look at the bowl. This bowl's adorable. That is so cute for popcorn. Or to put all this, to put all these treats. Where's the price? Look how pretty. Look at that. I will work for milk and cookies. That's adorable. Oh, they even have the, look at this. Oh, they got bottle holders. God, they got so much stuff. There's so much excitement. Look at this. But it's a little, I guess. Oh no, it fits on, I guess, bigger bottles or what? And then you got your mint cookie. Look, it matches. You can cook all the Christmas cookies you want, have some hot chocolate. That is cute. Look at all the characters on it. Pluto. Pluto looks adorable. I like Pluto the way he looks. Oh, they got a red truck figurine. That is adorable. They'll have it out. And this. Look at this. That is super cute. It lights up. And this is key right here. This is a, look, it matches. Jewelry, a necklace, Christmas necklace. This is adorable, this whole set. Then you got the look at the Christmas leggings. Oh, we're gonna have to try some on.
And this is it?
Yeah, the scarf, how pretty.
Yeah.
That is super nice. And you got the jacket and everything. Oh, look at this. I got Olaf, but look at, oh my God, and it's the velvet. The velvet. He is too cute. Let me guess. 65? 90? This is so cute. The red velvet. I love anything velvety, TT. I love velvet. This is adorable. We're going to have to get this. And the jacket. We got so much stuff here. Look at the jacket. There's way too much. Look at Mickey and Minnie. No way. Look at that. They're adorable. Look at them. $21.99. This is adorable. These are so cute. These are cute for stocking stuffers. No, look at Pluto. And Chip and Dale. Pluto's adorable. Just Santa. North Pole. He has some mail for Santa. This is, look at his antlers. God, this is cute, Lovey. I love this. This is too cute. Oh my God. Let me hold them all. Let me hold all three. Hold on.
forgetting about Chip and Dale.
But Chip and Dale are little. Oh, they're Chip and Dale. They're so tiny. Hold on. Look, I got the whole family. Almost the whole family. I wonder where Donald and Daisy are. We need to look them up. The stockings. This is 30. What is it? $35?
$29.
29. Yeah, $30. So this is so cute. All the plaid. I love it the way it matches. All that Christmas style. Let's see what they have here. Another advent calendar. These are fun.
12 days of socks.
12 days of socks instead of chocolate. And then you got the Crocs. Oh, it's so soft inside. And then we get to the cozy blanket. Cozy blankets. $60. A wreath for your door. That's adorable. Everything's like $30. Super cute. I like this right here. How much is this? The countdown calendar. This is adorable. This is super cute. $40. This is cute. I got all the ornaments. It's 28. I said 25. Pretty close. And look at this one. Oh, this is super soft. Can you imagine the ears for the ears? That's cute. Wood sign. That's super cute. Mesa Tree Farm. That's adorable. That's cute. More clothes. You got jerseys. Look at that. How pretty the back. It's adorable. Actually, we need to get these for our stay. Our Christmas stay at one of the Disney resorts. Oh, this is nice for you, love. These are nice for guys, too. And this, look at this one.
Actually, if you comment in the section, guess where we're staying for Christmas.
Yeah, comment down below and guess what resort we're staying. It's a surprise for Christmas. And if you haven't seen our Christmas video from last year, we stayed at the Grand Floridian on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. You got to see that one. You got to see all the little special effects with the snow. It snowed here in Florida.
So here's a clue. It's not Grand Floridian this year, but it's...
Yeah, well, it's a surprise. Surprise. Look at this. Main Street Tree Farm. This is cute for you, Lovey. You need to wear this. Yeah, I think Lovey's going to wear this for Christmas. No. And they're soft. No way. How much are these? They don't have...
$30.
It looks like everything's free. Oh, no. There's no tag price, but this is cute. I'm gonna have to show. This is I like this right here with the jammies. Look at the pajamas. The jammies are adorable. I gotta get the jammies, and I gotta get this, and I gotta get these socks. These like booties. Look at how cute these are. How much are these, Lovey? $20. These are. Look, these will go good with the boots. Let me show them with the boots. Let's see what these are. It's a good present. $30. Adorable. And then they got all the kids' clothes. They got the hats. They got so much stuff. Little gifts for infants, for babies. Imagine a little baby with this little outfit. Look at this, and then check this out. The little hat with the Mickey ears. It's adorable. Huh?
I want to wear one of those.
You want to wear one of those? They don't make a onesie for us. I think they make big onesies for us. I think they make big onesies. ATT Squad, check this out. Look at these.
Can you eat them?
Huh? No, the Peppermint Ears. It's adorable. Something else that's free here at Disney Springs. We got a lot of free stuff. Oh, and these. I saw these at downtown. Someone else's video, Downtown Disney. Look at this. I thought they were bigger, but they're not that bad. They're small. These are adorable. Comment below which ones do you like the best. Let me show the get all three. Which one's your favorite? Comment below. The peppermint, the gingerbread cookies, or this one. Let me know which one. Check this out. Look at this. Actually, it does something.
Probably lights up.
I don't know. It probably lights up. I don't know. It must light up. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it does, but it looks, I like the straw. Look at this. Perfect. That's adorable. That's the front. This is so cute. Okay, I want to try some stuff on. Let's see what we're gonna buy. There's probably more stuff on the other side. They got a Christmas train set, 140 bucks. That is adorable. Can you imagine this around your Christmas tree? Look at the characters. Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Daisy. They're all there. No, wait, check this out. We have for kids. This is way too cute. Look at this. And then look at the hat. $60. Look at this. This will make a cute little gift for a little girl. Look at that, Minnie and Bright. $25. Yeah, and you do it has all the sequences that you do back and forth. So cute. So adorable. And then check this out. Look at the Mickey Nutcracker, $55. Oh, that is cute. Look at the Christmas toppers. $48. It's cute. And they got some candles. Look at this. These candles are adorable. Look at these candles. And they smell like Christmas trees. They got this like little, this is cute too. Like a German, it lights up too. It's cute, look at the back of it. Happy holidays from the gang. And then you got your Christmas cards. Oh, there's Minnie. There's Minnie. So adorable. All the snacks, all the Disney snacks. Jewelry is so adorable. Look at this bracelet. So cute, man. I love the way it jiggles. I want that. Oh, and this is super cute, this one. Look at this jersey with the letters. Looks like candy. All right, let's try this on. I like this little Christmas sweater. It looks like a small. Yep. Oh, and it lights up. It lights up. The lights. These little lights light up. This is cute too. Adorable. They got the leggings. Oh, no, the pajamas. Yeah, these are like leggings. These are cute too. Oh wow, look at this, and then this one. It's another light up Christmas. How much are they, Lovey? These right here, these $65, they're cute, and they light up and adorable, and it's soft too. It's really cute. And then you got, of course, you got these. These are cute. And then of course you got this. Holiday tote, $25 when you purchase $40 or more. Super cute. Of course, you got these. Yep, they have these every year. These are good too. A snowman, Christmas tree, candy cane. Remember, we used to get these in the DVC events. Oh, look at this little change pocket. Or you could put Disney pins in here. Look, a gingerbread, Mickey gingerbread. They got the peppermint. These are so cute to put stuff in. This is adorable. $45. Isn't that cute? And actually, you can make something like this at your house, right? This is not that bad. This is easy to make. Let's go inside the trendy store and check out the Christmas stuff here. The Christmas fashion. Store, and this is what they have. They got the same stuff. They got the nice Christmas Mickey Santa Claus. Lounge Glide backpack. Oh, I just love it because the red velvet feels so good. It's so nice. And they got the leggings. I'm trying to see what I'm going to get so I can try it on. Look at this. This is so cozy. So soft inside. Let's see the price. I think we showed them this. $65. And they got this candy cane shirt. That's adorable, a t-shirt. What? I love this. And this is so adorable. Yeah, you can put your change, or you can put some pins inside. And then this, check this out. Look at the patches. These patches are adorable. And the peppermint. Cute little change pocket. Put your pens. You could do anything with this. Put anything you want in here. Alrighty, TT, I'm in the dressing room and I'm gonna try all this stuff for you guys so you can see how it looks. Let's go. Let's try it on. Yeah, so this is the way it looks without the jacket, the shirt, and the leggings. Cute, right? I mean, this is cute. This is like you can use it as a pajama or hang out in Magic Kingdom. Alrighty, TT Squad, look, this is with this shirt. Wear it with your black boots, super Christmassy, and your hat. Oh yeah, looks cute. Alrighty, TT, I hope you enjoyed the video. We did some shopping. I'll show you when I get home what I got. And if you love the video, give it a thumbs up, especially the new Christmas merchandise. And yeah, it's fully Christmas right now at Disney World. Let's go. Bye, guys.